Ready?
Only one face mask we have to take, that's it.
Today is the day, me and Watson, my friend from Mumbai.
Hey, what's up everyone?
Welcome back to my channel and let's start the video. We are heading towards Tawang. This is my hometown, Tangla. इधर पूछ के देख दादा निर्मल दा ভালো फेस मास्क কোড পাম
Simple baba এই pharmacy.
So we are all fully loaded.
Hey guys, so we are having our lunch now in Udalguri. We have ordered some chicken, mutton and all the varieties of vegetables to be offered by the hotel. And that's our beautiful bike, all set to roll. Stay tuned.
Welcome to Bhairabkunda. ये बहुत ही famous and beautiful place है. One of the best spot in our region for picnic. Alright guys, so the checking of aisle is done. तो अभी हम लोग move करेंगे to शेरगांव. तो मिलते हैं शेरगांव पे. Let's go. I'm feeling a little bad for Watson is using a simple, very basic helmet. I hope he will survive. Let's see. If not, then we need to buy. There we go. Hey, let's go. Finally back again. 8 months ho gaya. I was on board. I'm living the dream again. For 7 days, now we're out in the highway, in the mountains. No job, no routine. Just me and my bikes and my friend Watson and the mountains, chilling and relaxing.
Guys, unfortunately we have to wait for an hour or more due to the construction work going on. You can see the stones coming down, which is dangerous. But in future, all this thing will be done and it will be very smooth and without any kuch bhi aisa rukawat nahi rahega. But nevertheless, we have to wait for some time and uske baad hum log Shergaon pahunchne wale hain. Okay, so far today we have reached Kalaktang. We have 1 more hour to ride. Just a quick coffee break. Hey, what's up?
What's up, what's up?
So how are you enjoying so far? Kaisa lag raha
Good,
hai?
it's all good. Check out the video.
Oh wow, that's nice, bro. Cool. Alright, so guys, now it's a quick tea break. We've been riding all the way. We had to wait. Thoda rukna pada hum logo ko. Nevertheless, it's been fun. Sab kuch badhiya ja raha hai. I hope tomorrow it will be more fun. Alright, abhi to andhera ho chuka hai. Now we're gonna have some coffee. It's very freezing here, cold, and then we'll have some momos. Yeah. So alright, so momos aa gaye. Thank you. We'll have this one plate of. We'll share it. अगर आपको खाना भी खाना है, दिन में भी हम लोगों ने दबा के खाना खाया. Watsy, let's do it. Let's do it. Crazy momo. First momos in Arunachal Pradesh. So guys, this is our room. Finally, we have arrived in Shergaon after such a long ride. Hey, Watsy, you doing good? Alright, it's cool.
What's up?
Okay. Temperature now is around in Shergaon is 9 degrees, and it's gonna get down to less, like 4 or 5. Yeah. Okay guys, it's time to have some relaxing moment with bonfire and good food. Morning we will wake up and this is the homestay. I'm enjoying some nice coffee served by the owner. They're amazing. Just to let you know, we're in Shergaon again and this is Patola homestay, and we had this convenience to wash our bikes. I love doing this chore. I love to wash my bikes. I have this beautiful RE Classic 350 and Yamaha Aerox 155. And yeah, today we are planning to go to Dirang and then we'll stay there overnight and we'll shoot some videos. Next day we'll go to Mandala Top and then we'll stay overnight in Sangti Valley.
So today we are in Shergaon and we are moving to Dirang. So stay tuned in the video till the end. I hope you'll enjoy the views. तो दोस्तों अभी हम लोग बॉम्बडिला क्रॉस कर चुके हैं. वेदर अभी धीरे धीरे ठंडा हो रहा है. एंड लुक एट द नज़ारा, ब्यूटीफुल वैली. यहाँ पे सनसेट देखने को बहुत मज़ा आएगा. बट चलो अभी हम लोग दिरांग जा रहे हैं. अभी मैं चला रहा हूँ मेरा एरोक्स, यामाहा एरोक्स, एंड वॉटसन ही इज़ राइडिंग द आरी क्लासिक 350. अभी टाइम हो चला है 1 बज गया है. कल हम लोग दिरांग में रुकेंगे शायद से. देन विल गो टू सेला पास तवांग डे आफ्टर. Oh, the beautiful monastery in Arunachal. Beautiful people, good vibes. What a nature. Yeah, this is therapy. I was looking for this again. So as I always say, whenever I'll be free in my life, whenever I have time, I'll just come and go out to ride my bike. It's my first time with my Aerox in this elevation, so it's doing quite well now so far. For the matter of fact, any scooters will do, but yeah, as compared last time I came in my Ari, so abhi to theek hai, I'm enjoying it. No need to use your clutch and anything, just keep rolling the throttle and you're on. It's fun to ride the Aerox in the mountain. I'm enjoying it. So far, so good. More momos.
हाँ जी, खाओ. नमस्कार. कहाँ मैं उधर नहीं है ना. मैं अभी इधर ही आवामूर में.
गाइस नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग हम लोग पैकिंग कर रहे हैं अभी मंडाला टॉप जाने के लिए. लास्ट नाइट हम लोग दिरांग पहुंचे थे और दिरांग में काफ़ी लेट हो गया तो कुछ ब्लॉगिंग रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पाए. अभी हम लोग पैकिंग करके मंडाला टॉप के लिए निकल जाएंगे, फिर रात को सांगती वैली में रहेंगे.
Why so heavy? You can keep over here also.
Yeah? Is it very steep, Mandala top?
Steep, it's above 10,000 feet from sea.
He's saying to put the luggage here and come and collect later. Yeah? It's okay, we'll just ride along with the luggage. We need some photos and videos.
Over there we have to park a bike somewhere and we have to go somewhere ahead. We have to park a bike somewhere and go ahead.
Alright, so the journey has begun. Now we are going to Mandala top and फिर हम लोग जाएंगे. Alright, see you. Take care.
You can call me up.
Yeah, I'll call you. Sure. Let's go. Let's see.
Guys, this is Zong Valley in Dirang. We stayed here last night and now we are going to Mandala top, which is 10,000 feet above the sea level.
आज हम लोग का दूसरा दिन है and then हम लोग आज मंडाला टॉप जा रहे हैं सुबह. We stayed in Dirang last night in Zong homestay. Very nice host and the weather is good here. I reckon Shergaon has a better views and weather, but that's okay, it was fine here as well. So आज का प्लान क्या है हम लोग आज जाएंगे मंडाला टॉप and then we will go to the hot spring in Dirang. We'll take a dip in the hot spring and must वहाँ पे refresh. Okay, then we'll go to Sangti in the evening, by evening, and then we'll stay in Sangti Valley in a tent. We'll do camping and stuff. So बहुत मज़ा आएगा. I hope you guys will also enjoy. Stay with me. Which way is Mandala top? Okay, on our way to Mandala little puppy. $10,000 feet मंडाला का जो elevation है 10,000 feet above sea level. Okay, so here we are on our way to Mandala top. Mandala 26 kilometers. Okay, look at those beautiful mountains. Wow. You see that white mountain over there behind the clouds, Watson, fully covered with snow. Wow. Alright, beautiful people, look at the beautiful horizon. View. अभी टाइम हो चला है. We keep moving. Okay, let's keep rolling. Watson is there behind me. You can see this. What to do of all of this? No, let's leave it here. No worries. Alright guys, so finally we are here in Mandala top. As you can see behind me, the stupas. Very famous. It's freezing cold. So far, the journey has been very relaxing. I believe I have witnessed the magic of the nature, the beautiful colors of the mountain and the sky, the elements of this earth. Right now I'm trying to absorb all these images in my memory to cherish it forever in my life. Chant with me. Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. So a bit for a Maggie time in Mandala top and some hot nice omelets. Dear friends, thank you for watching the video. Next episode will come from the Sangti Valley. We'll do the camping at night. So stay tuned to my channel and please like and subscribe.